Alright, here we come to the elevators at the Mandalay Bay Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada. Gotta talk over the music to avoid getting a copyright. Alright, we're gonna go up to 62. That one. There's Big Brother. B. I think these floors are locked. Yep, they are. This is a nice elevator. There are fixtures. Series 2 fixtures. You going down?
Yes, please.
Casino?
First, yeah, the lobby. Thank you.
That's where that's the lobby is the casino.
Yeah. What was that for? YouTube?
I'm doing a video of the elevators.
A video of the elevators?
I'm an elevator photographer.
Oh, that's cool. That's neat. Alright, thanks man.
Have a good day. Alright, let's close it up. Don't want to get a copyright claim. We're gonna end the video down at the beach pool and spa level, just so I don't I have to talk over that music when we get off of the lobby. Got your Otis nameplate down there. Alright, we're gonna watch it shut. There it goes. And that's it.